Dear young friends, I would like to introduce myself. First of all, I am Om Prakash. I graduated from BIT Sindri in 1987 in Electronics and Communication Engineering branch. Then I joined Bokaro Steel City as a testing engineer. After that, I was selected as a trainee for the post of scientific officer in DRDO Pune. And I have an experience of 15 years in teaching line. Today, you see that we are passing through pandemic situations. So in this situation, I would prefer to teach you in online. Today, I will teach you about differentiation, that is डेरिवेटिव. व्हाट इज डेरिवेटिव एंड व्हाट इज डिफरेंशिएशन. डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है, इसके बारे में मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा. वो है, इफ समवन आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन देन व्हाट यू विल आंसर. डिफरेंशिएशन मीन्स डेरिवेटिव, that is subtraction. Similarly, the integration means summation. Integration means summation, and the concept of derivative is originated in course of finding the tangent line to the graph of functions. And by the first principle, first of all, I will tell you that how I can derive. So the given function is y square is equal to x, and this function is differentiated. That is 2y into dy dx equals 1. Dy dx equals 1 by 2y at the point x1 and y1. That will be equal to 1 by 2y1. At this point, the p x1 y1, the slope of the tangent is given by dy dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 y1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus minus root x. And by putting the value of y1 and x1 in this equation, we will get y1 squared is equal to x1 and y1 is equal to plus minus 1 root x. In this way, you see the figure of parabola at this point p x1 y1. We have to find out the equation of the tangent. The equation of the tangent we have got y1 is equal to plus minus root x. This is the origin. This is x coordinate axis, y coordinate axis, and in which on the parabola on this point at this point p, tangent is drawn. Then the equation of the tangent is given by y1 is equal to plus minus 1 root x. Dear friends, I taught you about differentiation, that is the reciprocal process of integration. As you know that integration means summation and differentiation means subtraction. So in the form of differentiation, we can easily find the functions whose derivatives are known. Differentiation is the reciprocal process of integration. Y is equal to x to the power n. We from this function find the derivative of the function with the first principle. Let an increment of del y in y corresponding to the increment of del x in x. In that position, y plus del y equals x plus del x to the power n. On subtraction, we get del y is equal to x plus del x to the power n minus x to the power n. Del y del x is equal to x plus del x into the power n minus x to the power n. That is x plus del x to the power n minus x to the power n divided by del x. This del x will be equal to x plus del x minus x, and this would equal to n to the power x. n into x to the power n minus 1. This is the differentiation of action with the help of first principle. First principle, we can find out the derivative of any function. Friends, if you get a question like this, that x plus 3 x squared plus 4 divided by 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. If you get this to differentiation, or it is a square root over, you have to solve this problem. Then how you will solve this? First of all, we will assume that y is equal to plus 4x plus 5 root over, taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, we get dy log y equal to 1 by 2 log minus log 3x squared plus 4x plus 5. This will be given by 1 by non-differentiate. Then you will get the value log of 1 by y log 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 1 by 2 log x by 3 x plus 3 x square by 4. So we get log x plus 3 plus log x square by x plus 4 minus log 3x square plus 4x plus 5. How will get this? Log y is equal to this much. Now we will differentiate this. By differentiating, we will get this is log function. Log function, we know that how we will derive the derivative of the log function. Log function, it is 1 by 2 log x plus 3 plus log x by 4. So differentiating 1 by y log y, so 1 by y dy by dx. 1 by 2 we will write. Then we will differentiate this log x by x plus 1 by 3. This the derivative will be x plus 3 plus 1 by x square plus 4. Derivative of log x by 4 and into 2x. The derivative of this function will be 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and it will be given by the derivative of 3x square will be 6x plus 4. So hence dy by dx will be 1 by 2 1 by x plus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4. How we will get this? We know that the derivative of log function is given by 1 by x, the x plus 3, 1 by x square plus 4, x square plus 4. Log x, derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of log y is equal to 1 by y. In the similar way, the derivative of log x square plus 4, we have got 2x by x square plus 4, and derivative of 3x square plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 6x plus 4 by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. The derivative of this, we have got this. So finally dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 1 plus x plus 3 plus 2x by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is the answer. This is the answer. The second question we will give you. To find derivative of y is equal to 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. 1 plus tan x root over. Let to derive, this is the equation y is equal to 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So how you can solve this problem? First of all, you let 1 minus tx 1 plus tan x, let 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x is equal to t. Then y is equal to root t. In this equation, we will find that dt by dx is equal to minus sec square x 1 plus tan x minus 1 minus tan x into divided by 1 plus tan square tan x whole square, tan x whole square. This will be, because you know that t is equal to this much, y is equal to this much, then we will differentiate dt by dx, this will be equal to this, and by differentiating this you will get dy by dt is equal to 1/2 t minus 1, that is 1/2 t. T divided dt into dt by dx. This is a chain rule. This is a chain rule. You will get divided dt 1/2 root t into dt by dx. dt by dx is this much minus sec square x plus tan x minus 1 minus tan x 1 minus tan x into sec square x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. This will be given by 1/2 root over t. This is 2 root over t, so t is this much. So you will write down this expression. You will write minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x is equal to t. So this will be 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. Into minus sec squared x 1 plus tan x minus 1 minus tan x into sec squared x divided by 1 plus tan x whole square. I will repeat this question. If you don't understand, then you will write in comment box. Derivative of this much, y is equal to 1 minus tan x, 1 plus tan x, root over. Then in such problems, what we have to do is, first of all, you let 1 minus cx by 1 plus tan x is equal to t. And then naturally it will be y is equal to root over t. So dy by dt is equal to 1/2 t into t to the power 1/2 minus 1, that is 1/2 root t. And this function we will differentiate with respect to x, dt by dx. So the derivative of this function will be this much. And dy by dx you take from the algebra of derivatives. We know that the quotient function is given by this much. The derivative of this and product of denominator minus differentiation of denominator and into this function. So you will get this much. Now 1 plus tan x whole to the power 2. dy by dx will be dy by dt by dx. Chain rule. By chain rule, we know that dy by dt into dt by dx. So how much it will come? It will come 1/2 root t and sec square x 1 plus tan x minus 1 minus tan x into sec square x 1 plus tan x square. So this will be given by, this will be 1/2 1 minus tan x 1 plus tan x minus sec square x 1 plus tan x minus 1 minus tan x and sec square 1 plus tan x. So this much will be. Now dear friends, differentiate this function. Differentiate this one. This function you have to differentiate. And what you will do? First of all, you know that y. This is y. Then log y is equal to x minus y. So now differentiating this, we get now 1 by y divided by dx is equal to 1 minus divided by dx. This you will get 1 by y divided by dx plus divided by dx is equal to 1. Then you will get this 1 by y there nahi hai usa plus 1 into divided by dx is equal to 1. This will be given by y 1 plus y divided by dx is equal to 1. So hence divided by dx is equal to y by 1 plus y. So how will you get this? You differentiate the function y is equal to e to the power x minus y, and then how you derive this? How you differentiate this function? Log y is equal to x minus y. Log y is equal to x minus y. Differentiating this gets 1 by y divided by dx is equal to 1 minus divided by dx. Differentiation of log y will be this much. Differentiation of this will be this much. 1 minus divided by dx. Then you will get in left hand side this will come and 1 by y divided dx plus divided dx is equal to 1, and divide 1 plus 1 by y plus 1 is equal to divided dx is equal to 1, and this will be 1 plus y by y so divided dx is equal to 1. Hence divided dx is equal to this much. This is answer. If you didn't understand this problem, then you please write in comment box. Then I will again solve step by step all these problems. Okay. The fourth problem, we can write this as y is equal to x by 1 by 3 plus x to the power 5 by 3 plus x to the power 2 by 3. Then this will be given by divided by dx is equal to 1 by 3 x to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 5 by 3 x to the power 5 by 3 minus 1 plus 2 by 3 x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1. In this way, dy by dx will be equal to 1 by 3 x to the power minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3 x to the power 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into x to the power minus 1 by 3. So this will be the derivative of this given function. Of this given function, this is the derivative. I repeat this again. You have got this function y is equal to root 3x plus x to the power 5 by 3 plus x to the power 2 by 3. Then how you would start this problem? Y is equal to x by 3. You can write this as x to the power 1 by 3. This is this much and this is this much. Then divide dx. We have used the formula. We have used the formula d by dx x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. So you have used this formula. So you have got 1 by 3 x to the power 3 1 by 3 minus 1 plus 5 by 3 x to the power 5 by 3 minus 1 plus 2 by 3 x to the power 2 by 3 minus 1. So finally you will get this. Okay friends, this was my first class, and if you like this channel, then like, share and subscribe this channel, and then in the next class I will be solving more problems on differentiation, and other topics will be also dealt with. Thank you.